art along, friends. We're drawing a
Cute Stitch.
Yeah, we're drawing Stitch, and he's going to be holding a cute little sign with a message on it. And we'll tell you what that message is in a little bit. Okay, ready? All we need is markers or drawing supplies and paper. So let's get started. First, let's draw a oval shape right in the top middle of the page, okay? Yeah, and then we'll draw Stitch's eyes, and he has these wide upside down U shape for his eyes. So let's draw one on the right side. Yeah, and then and my upside down U is slightly wider on the bottom. I'm gonna connect it with a curved line, kind of like a smiley. Yeah, and then we're gonna draw another one on the left side, just like that. Okay, so a wide U shape with a curve on the bottom. Okay, now he's gonna be smiling. So let's draw a couple of upside down U shapes in the middle towards the bottom. Yeah, and this is just gonna be his smiley face. And now for his nose. He has a big nose and it's like a rounded triangle that's upside down. So I'm going to draw a curved line right in between his eyes. And then make a V shape right underneath that with curved corners. Yeah, and this time we're gonna give his nose a shine. So I'm going to draw a curved line on the top portion of his nose and then color in the rest of that nose. So his nose is shiny. Great! And he has a few furs, so I'm going to draw a little curve kind of sticking out of his forehead. And then now for his ears, okay?
This looks like a sloth.
Kinda, yeah? What is Stitch?
He's an alien.
Yeah, he's an alien. He's Experiment 626, right? That's his official name. Okay, so Stitch has this floppy ears.
Yeah.
So we'll draw a curved line up and round it down. And we're gonna take it not all the way down because towards the bottom, he has this V-shaped tooth mark looking indent in his ear. Yeah, and then we're gonna connect the rest of it towards his head. And then to make it look a little bit more 3D, we're going to draw a curved line right in the inner part of his ear. Yeah, connecting it to his head. Good job. And then we're going to draw another ear on this other side, and this time his bite mark, so curved line up and then round it down with like a U shape. And he has a bite mark kind of on the top of his ear. So we'll draw a little V, sideways V inside. And then connect it to the rest of his head. And then we'll draw one more curved line to connect that from the top towards the head. Yeah, so that's cute Stitch. And he's gonna have a smile, a big smile with his tongue sticking out. So we're gonna go back into his head and draw a big smiley face on the bottom of his face, and then another upside down U shape for his tongue. And we'll color that in when we color. Okay, now for his paws. So we're going to draw 2 circles on the side of his head, kind of like an oval shape. One and then one on the other side. Great, and then we'll draw 3 triangles on the bottom of that oval. Those are for his claws. Yeah, and then another 3 kind of pointy on the other side. And now we're covering Stitch's body with a big sign that he's holding up. So I'm going to draw a rectangle starting from beside his paws. So I'm going to draw a straight line out just a little bit towards the side on each side, and then connect it with a big rectangle. And guess what the sign's gonna say?
Hello?
Nope. He's gonna say, I love you. Okay, so I'll help you spell that. It's I. Oh, you know how to spell it. L-A-V-A, and then you. I'm gonna draw a little heart next to it. Well, that's it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get coloring, but this is a very, very easy stitch that we thought everybody could follow along with. So let's get coloring. So this is our second stitch, right? The first one was an Easter stitch where he popped out of an Easter egg. That was fun. That one's also a little bit more intricate, more details on that one. So Art Along Friends, you can check that one out too. Are you excited for the new live action movie? Of Lilo and Stitch? And I think we'll draw something else from Lilo and Stitch, right? So stay tuned for how to draw Scrump.
Yep.
Do you know why we did lava instead of love?
No.
It's because they live in Hawaii,
Oh.
and there's volcanoes in Hawaii.
I'm trying to pretend this is paint.
Oh,
Because
okay.
this splotches.
Yeah. Okay, I think we're done. Well, there it is, a cute stitch.
Like and subscribe to Art Along.
See ya.
Bye.